Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megara, and don't worry, my hair is tied up back there somewhere. I was doing something weird earlier, I'm going to figure it out in a bit. But today I thought I'd actually just sit down, play with a palette, nice easy video for you. Because I've got these two bad boys. Either the Beauty Bay palettes, I've got the Book of Magic palette, which I used in an Instagram post the other day. I will probably use it a bit more later, but today, Sunset Horizon palette, because look at the colours. I mean, it's just so pretty. And you've got lilacs and bright blues and reds and sunset colours basically. If you're wondering about this one, it's much more cool tone. It's got like purples and stuff. Autumnal, wintry colours. Right up my alley if you know anything about me and my makeup habits. So I thought I'd go in with the Sunset Horizon one because it's a bit different. It's not as me as some others. So I'm going to get straight on into this because I have other stuff to do today, which hopefully won't take too long to film. I want to get this edited and uploaded, ready to go for Tuesday? Yes, Tuesday. I don't know why I just don't get myself sorted before I film, but it is just me. So I'm going to go in with a bit of the P. Louise base. But first of all, my face is going to be very bright. I'm going to go in with Twilight, which is this colour just here, just to go in with the darkest colour first, right in my crease, just pack it all in. Go a bit ham, probably regret it in a minute and have to restart, but at this point, oh well. I'm going to go right into my crease, I'm going to get a pencil brush actually. Pencil brush, this is just one from the Body Shop. I'm just going to wiggle that through my crease, make a mess, the usual. Then with a fluffier brush I'm going to go in with, I'm going to blend this out with a bit of Flamingo, which is this pinkish colour just here, on a fluffier brush. Then I'm going to go in with a bit of Sorbet, which is this bright orange just here, and then a bit of Reef just there. Okay, that is a lot more pigmented than I had planned, but at this point you kind of just roll with it. And a bit of Reef, which is that orange, that middle orangey colour. I'm just going to focus this right on the edges. Then I'm going to use a bit of Moonlit, which is this yellow right in the corner. I'm just going to add a bit more of Twilight into this, right in the crease, just to kind of build that up. And using the flat end of this brush, I'm going to pack Twilight right on the outer corners. And the inner corner, you know. So I'm going to use those colours along my lower lash line, so I'm going to go with a bit of Twilight right on the edge. Now I'm cleaning the brush off every time. Then a bit of Hibiscus. So then for the inner corner, not the inner corner, the middle of my eye, I'm going to do something brave and go with Oasis, because this shade is just calling my name. It's just a beautiful bright blue. I've also got my finger in the black, but let's just ignore that. And I'm just gonna... That's stunning. That isn't even on a wet base. Then I'm going to go in with a bit more of that Twilight and some more of Hibiscus, which is the purple above it, these two, just to blend that shade, those shades all in together. This is what it's looking like without any eyeliner or anything. It's just, I love it. I really do. I mean, I probably made a bit of a mess of this, but oh well. So I'm going to stick on some liner, probably some lashes, and I'll be back with you in a moment when this is all complete. Hello again, I'm back. So I put on some highlighter, bronze, blush, all that jazz. I've stuck on eyeliner. I didn't bother with false lashes because I just couldn't be bothered, to be honest. I'm not going anywhere. I can't go anywhere. So I bother. So this is how it's looking. I quite like it actually. I'm not the most proud of it. It's not the best one I've ever done, but I think it's decent. I think with some practice I could get something better out of it, but it is such a nice palette. That shimmer is just beautiful. I mean, there are quite a few other shimmers that I could do something with, say, this deep purpley silvery colour, this goldy grey. It's quite a nice duo grey. There's just some really nice looks I could do with this. And for a first attempt with this palette, I quite like it. So, I hope you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you have. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And turn on the notifications because I try and upload twice a week. It's usually Tuesday and Friday, but I can't promise anything because I'm disorganised and I still have to go to work even though I'm until 4. So, I'll see you again next time for another lovely video. Bye!